Just coming to you here from Kramer Hall in my office, and I just wanted to go over the whole blog thing again. If you have not made a blog before, you can click here and create a blog. Many of you, however, if you go back to your assets here, you will have one that you began in the fall that you can just add to. And what you're looking for is, oh gosh, let's see if I can find a freshman blog that I started somewhere. No. Okay. Well, I'll just go back to my pop culture blog and just use that as an example for you guys today. If I can find, okay. Blog. Okay. Sorry. Did you want to see blogs? Yeah. Okay. So let's just go in here. Okay. So let's say you already have things in here in your blog, right? You already have a couple of different entries. So what you're going to do is you're going to add to your blog, right? Now, one thing I want to tell you is that you already shared this with me, right? So if I say I want to share, you already shared it with me in our course, and it will say that up here. It's been shared for assessment. Right? If it's not shared, you want to make sure that you share it with me. And the way you're going to do that, is go in here. And remember, you always want to choose for assessment. That is for a grade. That's British speaking of for a grade. And our course is 1819 right here, right? And it's going to give you this blah, blah, blah. You're going to share this and they can look at it and grade it. The people you're giving it to, they can't share it with other people without asking your permission. So you say, yes, I'm sharing it for a grade. That's what a for assessment means. I'm translating to the American English, right? But anyway, when you come back into your blog that you made in the fall, you're going to add to your blog. So you're adding a post, right? And this post is going to be about our waste sort. Now, what you want to do is any creative title you can think of. Wasting our future. How's that for snappy? Blah, 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 blah. Remember? And you know from doing your e-portfolio how this works. You can add images. And I'm going to post a bunch of images on the Google Drive and send it to you guys that I took today. And remember, if you go up here to properties, this is where you can get background colors, whatever colors you want. Remember also, if you go to the image block properties, I did that by clicking on this box. I can put in a caption, and it says waste audit or waste sort. What's today's date, you guys? Whatever. It's April. Or is it May? It's May 2nd. May 2nd, 2019. Photo. Courtesy of LWB. Or, you might get some from one of the other students. Might get them to do that, right? So I look in here and I can upload it from the Google Drive, or I think I might have some in here from an old class, which are down here somewhere. Oh, there's me singing. Isn't that funny? Okay. Yeah, I got all kinds of wacky stuff in here, guys. I do have a waste sort picture in here, I'm pretty sure, from a previous class. Oh, there it is. Okay. So this is the previous class doing a, waste sort. Talk about it. Remember, you can also add video, add audio. You can add quotes. Let's close this. You can also, remember, hyperlink. And if you are using an Apple computer with just the little touchpad, a lot of times your boxes jump out, but we'll put that back in a minute. We can link this to a URL, right? And bring in other things. What would my URL be? I'm just going to say PDX. I'm just making this up, guys. I'm just doing this little demo to remind you how to use this tool, right? And so now this is hyperlinked. AG goes to the website, right? And I can, if I can get this to work without popping it out. Oh yeah, I can bold it, I can put it in italics, I can make different colors. Remember this? You know, oh, that's the background. We don't want a different color background. We want a different color. Oh, okay. Oh, here we go again with this wild crap. Sorry, guys. So anyway, remember you have all these options to add to your post. And I just want to show you real quickly a really nice multimedia post in my my pop culture class. This young lady is writing about representations of femininity in, Disney princesses. Has all this thing and also has statistical pictures that are really cool. How the princesses spend their time. This is a cool one, another infographic type thing where talking about, for example, Pocahontas, it's a female protagonist, but look how much men are speaking in the film. And then look down here at Frozen. My goodness gracious. 40% of the time, the stars of the show, who are female, are talking. And all the rest of that time, 60% is by men. So, kind of a cool blog post. And this is what can be done. It's always nice to have a background color like this because it helps pop the text out. And also it gets away from the 19th century experience of black on white. So just think about some of these things when you're doing this. Like I said, you probably have already shared your blog with me if you already made one in the fall, or you're welcome to make a new one, in which case you would need to go in here again for assessment and share it with, and you're not going to have all these classes, right? You're going to have one. And it might not let me, okay, share for assessment. Yeah, it let me share again. Okay, so that's how this works. You might want to get rid of this for your blog, but you can keep it there if you want to. So yeah, I want to see some great blog posts. It's a reflective blog post on the experience of the waist sort. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with.